Good morning, viewers, or hello, viewers. That was an RJ the Bike Guy intro, a channel I watch from time to time. It's a little after 5 o'clock in the morning, and usually I would get on my bicycle about now, in an attempt to improve my fitness after I had that little brain fart last year, and that's the reason why I had to stop making videos for a while. Earlier this week I noticed something wrong with the front wheel. At first I thought the fender was rubbing the tire, but it turned out the noise was coming from inside the hub. So let's take it apart, shall we? And there go the balls. Some of them landed on the floor and will probably get embedded in my wooden shoes at some point. The ball bearings have lost some of their shine. The sand probably came from the wheel and was on the table. After cleaning, they actually look still usable, but I'm not going to hunt for the ones that fell on the floor. I invested a whopping €1.50 and got a plastic baggie with some new balls. That will probably double the value of my old bicycle, but it got a nice upright sitting position and I prefer that over my geared bicycle. Besides, this one lives outside and is always ready to go, except for now, of course. Cleaning up the hub. There's a little bit of damage on the bearing races, but I think they will last the rest of the bike life. There's a bit more damage on the cones. I should have picked up some new ones, but I'm sure it will be fine. Some multi-purpose grease, good for almost everything. And now it's time to glue in some new balls. I think that's one too many. It probably needs one less than seem to fit. Because the old ones fell on the floor, I wasn't able to count them, and I did not bother to look up any specs on the internet. I'm using plenty of grease. It helps to prevent rust with the wet winters we get. And now comes the important part, getting the tension just right. Too tight and you will start feeling the balls. Too loose and there will be some sideways play on the wheel. Sometimes they work themselves a bit loose after a while and you will need to readjust the cones. Looks like we got a loose spoke. Better take care of that problem right now. Some lubrication. Breaking the nipple free. And tightening it back up. done. Alright, job's all done. Anyone can fix a bicycle, especially in the Netherlands. I'm checking the wheel for side-to-side play. Tightening up the wheel locks, because you don't want them to come loose. And I'm rolling again. I guess bicycles are also rolling metal. It's about 8:30 now. The sun's well up and as usual the wind is starting to blow. It looks like it's going to be a good day.